What's up, guys? Today, as you see, it's a snowy day. It's pretty cold. It's about 15 degrees. We're gonna be going ice fishing for whatever we can get. I got shiners and some crappie minnows. I got the iFish Pros. I got the sled all set up. So we're gonna go out there and set everything up and try to get whatever we can. There's pike, there's bass, there's walleye, perch, crappie. Basically everything is in here. So we're gonna go out there and basically fish all day since the house is right on the lake. So yeah, stay tuned and hope we get something big. So for the iFish Pro, you want to take a shiner and you want to hook it like right by the, like literally through the butt. Make sure there's no scales on the hook. And this makes the fish just want to move around more because it's trying to get upright, which for me gets more strikes. And yeah, I usually put it about a foot off the bottom. The nice thing about these is when you get a fish, you could reel it in with your rod on like a normal tip up or if the hand line it. So yeah, I'm gonna set 2 of these up and start jigging and see what happens. First thing I'm gonna try on is a rattle spoon with a little minnow head on it. Let's see what happens. If I don't get anything soon, then I'm gonna switch, go a little bit smaller and see if I can get on some bluegill or something. There we go. First fish of the day. It's a nice gill. It's a little too small to keep. I'm gonna release this one. Only took like 3 hours. That's what I caught it on. It's a little spoon with a wax worm. It looked like there was more of them down there, but no, it doesn't look like there's anything. We'll see if anything else comes up. It's been a really slow day. It's been out here for literally like 3 or 4 hours, and that's my first like fish. There we go. First fish in a while. Oh, it's a perch. Look at that guy. Came right off the bottom. Fat little guy. I'm gonna let him go though. It's full of eggs. So they took most of my bait, but I just got another wax worm and I put it on. I'm going back down. I see 2 marks that were there the whole time, so let's see what happens. There we go. Got him. This one's smaller though, I think. Oh, that's nice. Red deer. We're gonna keep him. I wanna eat a couple fish today. And I'm assuming we'll get more because it's prime time. Not prime time, but it's going more to the evening, so we should get something else. Got another one finally. I didn't think he was gonna bite, so I wasn't even recording, but it's a nice gill. Bigger than the other one. I'm gonna keep him too. There's some more down there, so I need the next one. I switched to the tungsten. Just a little thing like this, the wax one. Because they were being really finicky, so I decided to put on something smaller. There we go. Not a huge one, but it's still keeper size. I don't want to keep the huge ones either way. I didn't get any huge ones, but at least I'm catching them. There we go. Alright, this one's a little too tiny to keep, so I might let him go. There's still fish down there. Hopefully something big is there. They're a couple feet off the bottom. That's usually some bigger ones. I'm fishing about like 25 feet here. And they're just cruising around here in this little corner of the lake. So I'm just hole hopping around. If there's no fish on a hole, then I just go to the next one. And like I just did that right now, and I found a little school of them. Hopefully they're not all that small though. There we go. Alright, that one's definitely not that small. This one's pretty heavy. Yeah, this one's a better one. This is a keeper size. There's more down there. Just hook it like that and just drop it down. There we go. Got another one. This one's not that big though, I don't think. And let's see. Yeah, this is too small to keep. Still a little guy. Oh. What's up guys? So I ended up filleting the bluegill, as you can see. Seasoned up, filleted them. And then I got like my little setup on how I'm gonna fry it. The breadcrumbs that I use, I do like a third of these Andes breadcrumbs, Cajun style. And then I just put the regular panko breadcrumbs in there. And I just mix it all around. And it gives it a nice taste. It's not like super spicy, but it has a nice hint of spice. So the way that I do it is, this is all-purpose flour. Take the fish, put it in this all-purpose flour. Take it in the eggs. I also put some seasoning in the eggs. You don't have to, but just gives it a little bit more of a taste. Just dip it in the egg. And then take it and you put it in the breadcrumbs. Cover it all nicely. And there you go. That's ready to be fried. And just do that with every single one of those. So then after I coat everything, I wait for the oil to warm up. And then I fry it. It's probably like 3 minutes on each side. 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and they're good. They're not big fish. And yeah, and then I let them sit on a plate with a paper towel to soak up the grease a little bit, and they're gonna be good to go. So I finished the fish, making fries too, but let's taste it. It's perfect. What is it called? Bluegill are by far the best fish for me that you can eat. Even if you have crappie by them. One time I made crappie and bluegill. The bluegill were like 3 times better. Like I didn't really want to eat the crappie. The crappie was more like a dryish kind of fish. It's still a really good fish. I'm just saying, like if you eat them right next to each other, you see a really big difference. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully next time we'll get into something bigger. I really tried today. It wasn't happening. It was just a bad day. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you guys want to watch. If you guys want to see me make more videos. And yeah, have a great day.